today for your free quote.
And welcome back. So we kept a good amount of cloud covers, made our way through the day today. Just a few peaks of sunshine out there, but even under the cloud cover, we did keep a really strong southerly wind. So temperatures really got up there once again, well above average. So we have since cleared out as we made our way into the evening hours and think we're going to stay that way during the overnight. Here's a look at our high temperatures across the region. So we're at 76, your high at North Platte. Did make it up to 71 degrees at Valentine. That's definitely not the case as of right now. 73 at Lexington, mid to upper 70s at Ogallala and Imperial. Let's take a look at the current temperature. So you can see where the frontal boundary is right now. Much cooler air as you make your way from Valentine, Hyannis, and points off to the north and west, as those two cities are into the 30s right now. The cool air getting into Thedford currently at 41 degrees, but we're still in the warm air mass for the heart of our viewing area, especially from I-80 and points off to the south. So we're at 67 at North Platte, mid-60s Lexington, Imperial, and Ogallala, and 63 right now at Broken Bow. Also, you can see the frontal boundary very nicely on this map here. From this line from Thedford to just north of Ogallala, we have a northerly wind as you make your way up north. That's really cooling them down. Wind speeds around 10 to 20 miles per hour. And south of that line, still into the warm sector, strong southerly flow with those winds around 15 to 25 miles per hour for most of our viewing area, especially where it's into the 60s right now. And here's where some of the strongest wind gusts are. Still seeing wind gusts on this map, especially south of North Platte, between 30 and 35 miles per hour. So definitely prepare for that if you're spending any time outside. As for the precipitation for the cold front, not really much. As you make your way from, say, the Bassett area, you can see some rain showers, but that is it. Barely a cloud in the sky, even as you make your way further north. So we're going to keep mainly clear skies, even as that frontal boundary is making its way through our viewing area and pumping in cool air to portions of our viewing area. But this is really going to stall out as we go through the next 12 hours or so. So if you're from I-80 points off to the south, we're still going to be in this warm air. Another day, as you saw in the first weather, with temperatures getting into the upper 70s, but that's not going to last much longer. One low missed us to the north. This low is going to move off to its north and to its east. Give some snow off to our west and to our north, but we're definitely just going to get the cooler air from this one as we're going to stay mainly dry. So going through the overnight, temperatures staying mild for most of us, mid-40s to lower 50s, with more cloud cover, maybe some fog in the morning with it that warm. Now, as we go into the afternoon, the Sandhills, Valentine stay into the upper 30s, lower 40s, but as you make your way from Broken Bow, Ogallala, especially North Platte points off to the south, 60s and 70s on the map. Also, where they have that southerly wind, that's the best chance of having a good amount of sunshine for the day tomorrow. The sunshine warms us up even further, but everybody gets in on the cool air. That cold front finally makes its way through. We got the wind flipping around to a northerly direction with upper 20s to near 30 for lows on Thursday. Notice all the moisture really missed us off to the north. We're going to stay mainly dry here, maybe a rain shower or two, but that's basically it. By Thursday, highs will only be into the upper 30s to near 40, and that's with almost complete sunshine. The northerly wind is going to be that strong. So the first low exits. Finally, after spending most of tomorrow in that warm sector, that very strong cold front makes its way through. The snow is going to miss us off to the north and off to the west, high pressure working its way in, and there comes that cool air with that very strong northerly wind. The system, as typical, will redevelop off to our east, possibly a severe weather threat in that direction, but for us, we stay mainly dry. The high will give us mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Just temperatures on their way down as we finish out the work week and then start the weekend. So 77 tomorrow, maybe a slight chance of some rain or snow showers. It's not much late tomorrow night, but by Thursday, back to sunshine, a high of 40, 37 on Friday, lots of sunshine, mid-40s Saturday and Sunday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, and only lower 40s Monday and Tuesday, staying dry, still mostly sunny to partly cloudy. Good.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. And a single Powerball ticket, now worth more than $2 billion. It was purchased at a convenience store in Altadena, California. The ticket with the magic numbers 10, 33, 41, 47, 56. The Powerball was 10, was sold at Joe's Service